friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my grandma's famous prawns pickle recipe. It's super simple to make and tastes delicious. She used to make this often when we all cousins used to get together at her house. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make the prawns pickle. In a kadhai, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of mustard seeds and let them crackle really well. Next add some hing. Reduce the flame to the lowest and now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and about 3 teaspoons of red chili powder and immediately add the shrimps. We don't want the spices to burn and that's why we reduced the flame and added the shrimps immediately. Add salt to taste. I have added about 1 teaspoon and give everything a really good mix. Turn the flame to medium and cover and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. The shrimps will soon start to release water and also fry well. After about 10 minutes, let's open and check. The shrimp pickle is ready. Go ahead and switch off the flame. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Squeeze some lemon if you like, but that is optional. This prawns pickle tastes very delicious and goes extremely well as a side dish with your main meal or even with your roti, chapati or a rice. With these easy steps to follow, it comes out great every time. If you have enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.